This segment is sponsored by New Perspective Financial Solutions. Life insurance. If you have been putting it off, you are not alone. But did you know that some relatively new policies could actually help you out in retirement? Here to tell us about those policies is Tavon Jackson. Tavon is the founder of New Perspective Financial Solutions, a DC-based firm that focuses on preparing people for a successful retirement. And also today, Tavon is joined by Jacqueline Shadek, who is a certified financial professional. Thank you both for being here.
Oh, thanks for having us.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Life insurance is hard to understand, so let's break it down for everyone. It really has evolved over the years. What has changed since these older policies that used to be in place?
Well, most people have what's called death insurance, not life insurance. And what that means is that it only benefits somebody when you're no longer here. So now they have policies that have what's called living benefits. So that's a life insurance policy where you don't have to die to use it. If you had dementia, if you had a stroke, if you need to go into a nursing home, you can actually touch that death benefit while you're still alive. Because one thing you don't want is you don't want what's called a living death, where you're alive, but you're killing everybody financially because they're trying to keep you alive. You want to have a policy that you can access at any time, and that's what we help our clients with.
So these are some of the newer policies that are out there. Jacqueline, can this actually help people even through their retirement to have a policy like this?
Yeah, absolutely. So they're called hybrid policies. So we can make a combination, as Tavon was saying, of something for your death benefit, but also to cover you through retirement. So there's a lot of options that we have in our creative financial planning process where we can design something that fits your particular situation so that you're getting retirement income from this investment product that we've implemented for you. Really powerful.
I think it's hard to know the number that you're going to need. Like, how much is enough? How do you help people through this process of saying, okay, here's what you're going to need for either the life or the death insurance, right?
Yeah, it's complicated. It can be created out of a few different things, right? And I think the biggest thing is people hear like, oh, you need $1 million to retire. With inflation lately, I've heard that the number is $3 million. And so we just want to get a close look at your income and expenses, right? So what is your family dependent on if you were to pass? What do they need? So we take a look at that. We also look at the income that you have coming in, and we also look at your expenses, because one of the biggest things to remember with the life insurance is when that death benefit pays out to your family, it's going to pay out tax-free. And so that's something to consider as we're navigating your financial situation.
Tavon's nodding his
I like
head
tax-free.
over here. For the tax-free part. Yeah, okay. For people who say, and Tavon, you've said this before, I just want to have enough money to make sure my family can bury me. What do you say to them?
I'll take. Well, for me, I think it's the most selfish thing ever.
Yeah.
And a lot of times, like a burial costs maybe $25,000, $30,000. And some people say, you know what, that's all I need. Or they'll say, you know what, I didn't get no silver spoon in my mouth, so I'm not giving my kids that luxury either. And that's so selfish. And then a lot of times what happens is we see GoFundMes, we see fish fries, people trying to raise money to bury their loved ones because they were selfish. And then also when they pass away, guess what they inherit? The debt. They don't want your watch, and they don't want your ties, they don't want all your Gucci bags or whatever bags the girls wear. They don't want all that. They want tax-free death benefit. They want a legacy. Just think if you were to inherit $100,000, $200,000 at 21 or at 30, it would put you in a much better financial situation. But unfortunately, a lot of people are selfish. But
They are selfish. There are people that are very selfish, but we like to explain to clients that they have two legacies, actually. They have one legacy while they're living, and then they will have a legacy after they pass. So that one while they're living, we want to know what you want to be remembered for. Do you want to be remembered for being a kind, caring individual and making sure your family was taken care of? And then when you pass, how do you want to be remembered? Do you want your family to remember you for being stingy and not providing them with this certain level of funds so that they can take care of things? Or, how do you want that legacy to look like for other people? So we explain they have two legacies during their lifetime.
Even that peace of mind.
it's already emotionally draining, so don't make it financially draining as well.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, geez. Okay, so much goes into life insurance and all of it. I know it's confusing. So for you at home, if you would like to learn more about preparing for your retirement and life insurance, New Perspective Financial Solutions has a great offer. Tavon wants to help protect and continue to grow your money while also helping you better understand life insurance and how to create a reliable income stream. So right now, for the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $100,000 or greater, they're offering a complimentary retirement income plan just for you. This allows Tavon to sit down with you personally or schedule a call to make sure that you are on the right track for a successful retirement. The number to call is 240-335-8366. Again, 240-335-8366.